The humble pigeon, or in Glasgow, commonly known as a doo. In Gaelic, we call this bird a Calum, which sounds a lot like my name, Calum. But do not be confused, it's Calum.
Do not be confused, that's the worst pun yet.
Did you hear something? Now, a Calum or a doo can be a pest to some people, but to some others it's a dooish, a prize, a dooish. And to find out more, I've got to go and find some doomen. Right, Calum, you can show me the way. Over there? Aye, let's go. There's estimated to be about 1,000 doomen here in Scotland who take part in flying doos at the Gaelic the weekend, Gaelic. The doos are kept in their dachi, home, which is called a ducat. The birds are kept and flown for sport, and it's called doo flying. Bobby McKellar's been a dooman for 40 years. How does the sport work?
I'll put a doo out, they'll put a hen out. Hopefully my doo puts their hen in, or their hen puts my doo in. Find out who's got the best birds. That's what it's all, don't they? And I think I've got some of them. What is it you love so much about it? Just the fun of it. You're out all day, flying your doos all day. It's brilliant, you can't beat it. Better than sitting in the house, isn't it?
It's true, eh? So is it about whoever's got the bonniest bird? I mean, it doesn't matter who's the fastest.
No, there's good birds in it and there's ones that's not been tested yet. Once they go out and get tested, you'll find out the day.
Okay.
If they're good or no. If they're no good, they'll not come back. That's what it's done, eh?
Right, I fancy giving this a go. Can you show me how it all works? Good, let's give it a go. So what do you reckon, Bobby? Is this a good bird?
No. Chances are he'll not come back.
All right. Apparently he needs a wee bit of help, so I'm going to practice my fuamin and ian bird sounds. Fuamin and ian. If he does come back, maybe I'm a good luck symbol or something.
If he comes back, I'll be surprised.
Good luck, wee man. It's up to Bobby to do the release. So how long will this take, do you think?
Usually give him an hour, but I'll give him 5 minutes. He'll be off.
He went back in. Is that how it's supposed to work? Can you at least come? I don't know. Well, it's nice to see the Calum Maclean coming home, but it's now time for this Calum to head to his own dachi and have a Joe chup of tea, a nice cup of tea, a Joe chup of tea. And yeah, I'll find my own way home just fine.